I took it down and I kind of broke it apart. Replaced it with those new ones I was building. I don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, I'm still breaking it apart. This was the back of it. And then this is the cage right here. Kind of broke it apart yesterday, and today I'm kind of like still gonna work on it, trying to break it all apart. So then this wood, I'm gonna reuse it to perhaps make another cage. How I did these other ones. So this one I broke it apart, and I took it away from here and moved it, and I replaced it with this one. This is the one I was building. This is the second one I built right here. Make a new in the comments, you know. Like right here, this is all the chicks that I had over there. With the hens, I kind of put them right here by themselves now, so they got this cage is about the same size as the ones that were in. Like 2 feet wide and 2 feet in, so pretty good size for the chicks. And then even the doors, you know, easy access, easy clean. And then over here, kind of put her over here with her chicks. I don't know if you guys remember, I had her at the other side. So, yeah. And then, you know, you just want to clean.
Manok ka.
Put their food and water. Each one of these little roosters has their own little cage. Kind of like a big cage. This is about a foot wide and in. It's like 2 feet in, 1 foot wide. So yeah, pretty much the size for one of these little kikiriki roosters. Or like this is the same size I use for my other ones over there with the hens with the little chicks. One of these has their own food. I put their food in, sometimes like, I don't know, you put the food on the outside, but I don't want to make holes on the wire right here, so I just put it in, put the water and the food. Just when I open the door, there's their food and water. And then there's my little bulico.
Tama na yan, tama na. Ano ka ba? Dapat ABCD ang pinapanood mo ah. Hindi ko.
So yeah, this is the little heaters, right?
Pang matanda to eh.
So this is the bulico.
Oh.
And then up here, pretty good size for one rooster. You can't even put one rooster and one chicken in here just to collect eggs, you know. This rooster I did have over there with the little hands, but I don't know, for some reason, he was like breaking their eggs and eating them. I don't know. Because I noticed that the hens were laying eggs, but I would go in there and then next thing you know, they were gone, and then I caught this guy eating them. So that's why I moved them over here, you know? Maybe get that little manya off of him and then put him back.
Ano yan? Tama na. Tama na. ABCD. ABCD. ABCD yung panoorin mo. Huwag to. Oh, kita mo naman oh. Ano papala mo dyan? Manok yan eh. Oh. Manok to eh. Oh. Oh. Eh, bibi ka pa lang eh. Manok na agad ang inaano mo. Ha?
Yeah, here for now.
Dapat ABCD. Pinapanood mo.
I can breed them. But yeah, you know, this, like I said, this little cage right here is good. It's good for all the roosters, you know, especially these little cages right here. It's just enough for one rooster, and you know, you can even, like I said, you can even put one little hen in here with the rooster just to lay eggs, just so you can collect some eggs out of them. On this side, and if I build 10 cages, I'll have 10 cages to put another set of roosters, you know, I can put,
Bakit,
I'm gonna do it
bakit tumatahimik siya dyan?
this one. Three on
Bakit
the side.
tumatahimik siya dyan?
Pasakitin mo na
So
ka.
I had 11, so now I'm gonna have 20. So I'm gonna have 9 extra cages.
Sinunod yan, kalabate,
So
manok.
here's where I put all my younger chicks.
Isda.
The ones,
Yan.
some of the ones I had inside.
Pero sabi mo mga movie. Sinunod yan.
Malig sa kalapate. Sa sonok.
Inside.
Stay ah.
Pasakitin mo.